Good morning. Today we will learn how to graph quadratics in vertex form. Yesterday we talked about the vertex form and we talked about the general form for the vertex form. It was f of x equals x minus h squared plus k, and h comma k is the vertex. If we uh, if we have this equation here, y equals -2 multiplied by x plus 5 squared plus 4. What is the vertex for this equation or this parabola? This is quadratic because we have power 2. So all of you know that if we graph it, it will be a parabola. What do you think? It will be open, up, or down? Yeah, it will be open down because this will be the coefficient of x, and this is negative. That means it will be like something open down like this. Okay, so let's start with write the coordinates of the vertex, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Okay, there's 5 here. We take the inverse of this. It's positive, so the x coordinate will be -5. What is the y coordinate? Yes, this 4. This is the vertex. So the first step, you should plot -5, 4 on the xy coordinate. -5, take -5 from here and go down, go up to 4, -5, 4. This is the vertex. So the parabola will be open down because this is negative, and it will be the vertex of this parabola will be -5, 4. -5, 4. And because this parabola will be open down, that means this point will be the maximum point. Okay, this point will be the maximum point. All the other points will be down to this one. How can we find? We need at least 2 points, one to the left and one to the right, to this one, to complete the graph. So let's start to make a table for x and y and choose. We have this point, we have -5 and 4. This is x and y. The vertex, we have the vertex. Okay, let's take point to the left to -5, like -6. Okay, so take -6, and another point to the right, like -4, and plug in for x -6 in this equation. We will change x and put -6 here. Okay, so first we will do what's inside the parentheses. -6 plus 5 is -1. Square, negative number square give you positive. -1 square means -1 times -1. I will write it here. Y equals -2 times, I will change x and I will put -6 instead, plus 5 square plus 4. So when we put x equal -6, y equals -2, -6 plus 5, -1 square plus 4. -2 times -1 square will be +1 plus 4. -2 times 1, -2 plus 4 equals what? -2 plus 4 equals, yes, +2. This is y. So we choose point here and we choose point here. One to the left, one to the right to -5. And -5 and 4, here is the vertex. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will erase this too. Okay, we'll just need this. Now when we plug in for x equal -6, y equals 2, let's plug in for x equals -4, the other point. X equals -4, y equals, from this equation, -2 times x. We will remove x and we'll put -4 here, plus, keep the other numbers, 5 power 2 plus 4. And let's see what is the y coordinate for this point. -2 times -4 plus 5 is 1. We still have the square, plus 4. -2 times 1 is the same, -2 plus 4 give you 2. And if you notice here, we got the same. So if we have the point that is the same distance from the vertex, so the value of the function will be equal. -6 goes to 2, and -4 will be 2. -6 goes to 2, and -4. They are the same because you know that the axis of symmetry will pass through. Sorry, I will try to graph it again. Okay, okay, something like this should pass through this point. Okay, so it's a parabola open down. -5 and 4 is the vertex. We make a table, choose point to the left of -5 because the axis of symmetry should pass through this one. Okay, we talked about the axis of symmetry before. It passes through the vertex and divide the graph into two congruent shapes. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, find the vertex for this equation. The vertex is, take the opposite to this, -1, and take this point as it is, -2, and plot this point on the x and y coordinate. -1, comma, -2, -1, comma, start from here and go down. This is -1, comma, -2. What do you think this parabola will be? Should be open up or down? Yeah, it should be open up because the 3 times x squared will be 3x squared, means the coefficient of x squared is positive, so it will be something like this. Parabola open up, and the point or the vertex will be -1, comma, -2. Find another 2 points, x, y. Remember, we have -1, comma, -2, the vertex. We choose point from here. This is x equal -1. Okay, so we need point to the left and point to the right. So we will take -2 to the left and 0 to the right, and plug in this equation to find the values of y. Okay, let me erase this and erase this and start to find the value of y. When x is -2, y equals 3 times, we will remove x and put -2 plus 1 square minus 2. So what I did is plug in for x equals -2. Y equals 3. -2 plus 1. Yes, -1 square minus 2. 3 times -1 square. -1 times -1, +1. minus 2. 3 times 1, 3 minus 2, 1. This is the final answer for the first point, negative 2. Then the y coordinate or the value of the function will be 1. When x equals 0, what is the value of the function? Or find the value of y. Okay, x equals 0. So y equals 3 times x is 0 plus 1 square minus 2. Y equals 3 times 0 plus 1, 1 square. 1 square, 1 times 1, 1 minus 2. 3 times 1, 3 minus 2. It's the same. So the point before and point after will be the same. Okay, give you the same, or the value of the function will be the same at these 2 points. Negative 2 goes to 1 and 0 goes to 1. Then we can graph this parabola, something like this. Okay, this is the vertex and 2 points, one to the left, one to the right. Then you graph it. I think it's easy. I will start the third one and I will let you to complete it. This one, what is the vertex? Take the opposite to this. This is negative 2 will be positive 2. Take this number as it is. Negative 4, plot it. 2 goes to negative 4. This is the vertex. Make a table. X, Y. Put the vertex 2, comma negative 4. And choose point to the left, point to the right. 2, point 2. A number before, number after. Before 2, 1, after 2, 3. Log in here for these 2 numbers and find the value. I will let you complete it and graph it, okay? And don't forget to do your assignment on Khan Academy. I will check all your grades, all your work today. I will grade it on the grade book. If you have any question, let me know. I hope you check your grade on the grade book. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.